We make many types of dals, but today we will make Achari Dal. This dish is quick to prepare and very tasty. Along with it, we will also make a special spice mix for the Achari Dal at home. So let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe, like and share the video. First, we will prepare the spice mix for Achari Dal. To make the spice mix, we will add the following to a pan. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, and 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Dry roast these ingredients on a low flame, stirring continuously for about 1 minute. After roasting for 1 minute, add 4 to 5 dried red chilies and roast everything together for another minute on a low flame. After roasting everything well for about 2 minutes, it's ready. Let it cool for about 5 minutes and then grind everything into a fine powder using a mixture grinder and keep it aside. Next we will boil the dal. I have taken a pressure cooker and added 2 cups of chana dal soaked for 4 hours. It's now soft and ready to cook. To this we will add 2 large cups of water, 1 sliced onion, 2 pureed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of prepared achari masala powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding the oil, mix everything well, lid the pressure cooker and cook the dal on medium-high flame till 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, you can see that the dal is well boiled. It shouldn't be too mushy like a paste, nor should the grains remain intact. It should be perfectly cooked in this way. Now we will prepare for tadka. For this, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a separate pan. Once the oil is hot, add half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 small round dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. Fry the ginger and garlic on medium-high flame until the golden brown, which should take just a few seconds. Once the ginger and garlic change color, reduce the flame to low and add half a tablespoon of prepared achari dal masala. Now add the boiled chana dal to the tadka. Let it simmer for a few minutes and add juice of half lemon, some finely chopped coriander and 1 chopped green chili. Mix everything well and let it boil on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Our flavorful and unique achari dal is now ready. It's quick and delicious. Do try this recipe and let me know by commenting how you like it. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.